Hi, Show the Poop Hair, and here's my new bird.
Nobody cares, Nick. I'm just kidding.
Go away.
Chris,
Ow.
It's a 3-month-old cockatiel.
Chris, quit.
Drop. We only had it for a couple days. I think it's 3. Come here. Get back here.
I want it. Come on, Nick. Give me it. Come on. Come on.
Go to Chris. It's eating a Cheerio. It makes a giant mess. Yum, 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 yum.
Yes. Oh, no, I'm not full.
Come here, Hurricane. Come here, Hurricane.
God dang it!
Yes, you see the cat.
That finally.
Shit.
Crap.
Oh, you bit me.
Come here. Come here. Oh! Oh.
Come here, baby. You're safe with me. Yes, they are fighting. They're being idiots.
James, stop!
You helping me? Right?
James is trying to kill Chris.
Rape. I call rape. Yeah, rape. Rape.
Yum, yum, yum.
Rape. Rape.
You're
I say
trying
rape.
to report a man rape?
Yes, they're beating each other up. Hey, come on, bite the camera. Bite it. Bite the camera.
James, come on, you said you would behave.
Bite it. Bite it again. Okay, that's my bird. Bye.